So let's see, am I live or not? And then I will start doing. So seems like yes, it's working and I'm there. Now see this question. It was asked in CBSE. Where's that question? Oh, this question. This is nice question, competency-based question by CBSE. Let's see how many questions you can do along with me, or how many steps you can predict, and how fast you can understand. You have to guess some answers. Can you guess the correct answers? So this triangle chapter is the one that creates confusion triangle in your life. Many students has said that. Okay, so let's make understanding triangle with this chapter. In this question, what they have asked. So you can read the whole question. Okay, I have already read, so I'm telling. You have to find the largest size of the book. Okay, like what is the largest size that book can fit in this rack? This is a rack or shelf below the staircase. Okay, we have steps to go up and down for that one. So what should be the size of this one? Now, how you will do it? So I'm going to start it directly. You should also think. You can pause the video here, or you can just try by yourself. So I'm already doing it. We need to find the largest size of the book that can fit over there. Okay, this total is given as 144. Okay, so they are asking what should be the value of 3y. 3y equal to how much? That we need to find out. Okay, let's just do it. So total is 144. 144 equal to, all just let's add it. You also add, I'm also doing. Let's see who does it faster. Y plus 2y plus 2y again plus 3y. That's 2 to 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8y equal to 144. Okay, now 144 by 8 you have to do, and you'll get the answer. Okay, so try by yourself once. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Okay, so you have to do this division thing. That will be 144 is square root of 12, so I'll simply write down 12 into 12 by 4 into 4, and 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 4 1 ja 4 3 ja oops, that's not 4 into 4, that's 4 into 2. 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 6 3 ja 18, so equal to y. Therefore 18 equal to y. Okay, so that's the answer. No, that's not the answer. This is not the answer. Okay, this is the y value. Here you make mistake. Okay, see, in the question they have been asked the book size, and that's not y, that's 3y. So the largest size of book equal to 3y equal to 18, or 3 into 18. Okay, that's 54. Okay, and that's it. That's the answer. So 54 is the answer. Where's that? Here. Okay, let's try for the next question. By the way, if some step you did not understand, you can ask me. This BPT I will explain in the next live class, because it is not 1 marks, it's a long one, so I'll tell. Now let's see the next question. Oh, by the way, you wanted to copy, no? You can copy if you need. And that's it. Let's try this question. So let's zoom up into this question and what they're asking. First, I will go with previous year questions. Those were easy quite a bit. Then I will move to the difficult questions or complicated question. My main focus is competency based question because that's nowadays what is the big deal, like a monster for the students. So let's deal with that. Anyway, they are saying ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. How you'll do that? So let's say this and this are parallel sides of trapezium, and AB and DC are parallel. So let's call it AB. Let's call it CD. Okay. And its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. So diagonals, let's have diagonals. And let's have other diagonal intersect at point O. So let's call it point O. Okay. We have to show that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. That's a quite tricky question. So where I will do this, here I'm going to do it. Yeah. So required to prove AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Now, how you are gonna do it? See, it's you can if you observe carefully, you will find out that these are parallel lines. Okay, so let's call it X and let's call it Y. Don't you think it's equal? And similarly, let's call it P because we have used already X and Y. And let's call it Q. Okay. Now, since those are parallel lines, this alternate interior angle will be equal. So, in triangle DOC, and triangle, if I started with D, I should start with A, na? Wrong. See, this X and this Y are equal, alternate interior. So, I must start with B. So, triangle POA. Okay. Now, we can say angle X equal to angle Y. Okay. Reason, it's number one, and reason vertically, no, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Okay. And then what? Angle O. Angle O equal to angle O. Or you can also write down angle XOP, DOC. Angle DOC equal to angle DOC BOA. Angle BOA. Number 2. Okay. It's vertically opposite angle. Okay. Now, these two triangles are what? Congruent, na? Similar. Okay. So, therefore, triangle DOC similar triangle. Therefore, by AAA criteria, na? Therefore, by AA, okay, similarity criteria, triangle BOA are similar. Okay, if they are similar, then what? Their sides will be in the same ratio. So now let's find where is AO. Here is AO. Okay, and then here is BO. Also, you can say AO by corresponding side OC. So let's do that first. AO by CO. So I'll start with this one, AO. Therefore, AO by CO equal to, next one, which one was there? There was BO. So BO, okay, by. Now if I took BO, which one I should take this side? DO. DO. Okay. Reason, let's call it number 3, and reason CPST, corresponding sides of similar triangle. They will be in the same ratio. Don't forget it. Okay, sir, if you want to grow your channel, prefer recorded video, not live class. Oh, thanks for suggestion. Yes, ये तो बड़े easy question है सर, तो से class के हैं. Hey, I am starting with easy. That doesn't mean that I will not go on with difficult one. You want to see difficult? See, try these questions. This one I am not going to tell today. I am going to tell in the next class. By the way, if those earlier questions are done, I will tell now only. So anyway, I'll go with this question. It's good that it's easy for you. If that's the case, then try before me. Like while I'm explaining, you must be able to do. That will save your time in the exam. Anyway, so we had to prove what? AO by BO equal to CO by DO. That's it. You can just replace them, cross multiplication. So BO will come that side. Therefore, AO by BO equal to CO by DO. And that's it. It's done. Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. So the next question. Let's level up a little and let's try. Let's see who can do this question. One more thing, in the live question, many times the recorded video students cannot ask doubts. Whereas in the live one, they can directly ask the doubt. That's one of the biggest advantage of the live classes. So therefore, I will continue the live. Yes, don't worry, I will continue. Anyway, so in this question, you have to prove ABD is similar to ECF. So ABD is this one, ECF is this one, ECF is this one. How you'll prove it? Which method you will apply? Think once, and I am already doing it. Given is, what is given? AD perpendicular to BC, so this one they mean, and EF perpendicular to AC, this one they mean. Also, it's an isosceles triangle. AB and AC are equal. AB and AC, like this thing and this thing, are equal. Okay, fine. Let's do it. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, triangle ABD and triangle ECF, what will take? You see, in these two triangles, first of all, angle, we need to prove a few angles equal. For example, this one, where is that? This one and this one. Okay, how will prove? So angle ABC, angle ABC, where is that? ABC, ABD, angle ABD equal to angle ECF, angle ECF. Now, by which reason? So let's say it number 1, and opposite angles of equal sides. opposite angles of equal sides. See, one more time. This side is equal, this side also equal, and its opposite is this and this. This is the opposite and this is the opposite. So they will be equal. Number one. Number two, angle ADB, angle ADB equal to angle EFC, EFC equal to 90 degree. Number two, therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. And that's it. We have done it. Oops. Huh? What is going on? Get it correct? Yeah. And now it is good. Okay. So, yes, it looked like a Dracula, but see, it's very easy if you understand. Hi. Now let's go to the next question. Are you ready for the next question? Sir, yes, sir. Good. Sir, yes, sir. Very good. You must be ready. Now let's see the next question. Seventh question. So in the given figure, AB is congruent to ACD. ABE. AB, ABE. Oh, it's very easy, na? Try this one now. ABE is congruent to ACD. It is in NCRT also 2015 it was asked. And ACD is this one. You have to prove ADE is similar to ABC. This ABC. How you will do that? Plus in the exam you got only 1 or 2 minutes for 1 marks question. So you must be clear. By the way, if you start very hurry na, you'll get so many mistakes. So the only way to do it fast is to do practice. So let's do practice along with me and you also try along with me. Now what should be the first step? So we'll start with answer given triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, ABE corresponding sides will be equal. So AD, where is AD? AD. Therefore, AD equal to AE. AE. Why? Let's call it first number 1 and reason CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. I mean AD will be equal to AE. Similarly, this entire AB and entire AC also will be equal. Similarly, or similarly if you don't write that's also fine. A C D AD. AB equal to AC. Okay, that's number 2. Now, therefore, what you can write down? You can take the ratio AD by AB equal to AE by AE by AE by AC. AE by AC. Okay. Therefore, which property is this? It's basic proportionality theorem. Okay. And these are parallel lines. Let's call it number 3. And you can say you actually don't need the parallel line also. Okay. Just these sides equal is more than enough. Now, in triangle, the required triangle ADE and ABC, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, the angles are equal. So angle I'll say in a while, but before that I'll take these sides. AD by AE. Oh, this one. Wait, just a minute. We have to tweak it a little. So therefore AD by AB. AD by AB is correct only. Yeah. No, all was correct. So AD by AB. See this one? AB equal to AE by AC. So from 1, angle A equal to angle A. Why? Angle A equal to angle A. So let's call it number 4 and common. See the triangle. Angle A is the common one. Okay. In ADE also and in ABC also. So now by which criteria? Side angle side. Okay. Side angle side. And then other side also side angle side. So by SS criteria, therefore by SAS side angle side, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC and done. Now, are you ready for the next question? You might want to take the screenshot. Yes, sir. Okay, yes, take it. And I will give you people only a few seconds. So, your time's done. Now, let's go to the next question. In the given figure, AB, this one done. This one. ABC, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So, where is DE? Where is BC? This is DE and this is BC. And they said to find DE. DE we have to find. Okay. Now, you have to guess which one. What is DE? 2.5, 3, 5, 6. So AD equal to 2, let's write down 2, PD equal to 3, PD equal to 3, and BC equal to 7.5, this is 7.5, and they are asking DE, so this is the question mark. Okay, nice. So they have already given these are parallel. See, these two sides are parallel, this and this, they are parallel. So AD by AB will be equal to DE by BC. You would have thought that AD by DB equal to DE by BC, which is a mistake, and students do that several times. Don't do this. Okay, why? This DB is not the biggest side. Okay, they are asking BC as the biggest side. So here also you need to take the biggest side AB. So let's just remove this thing, but keep that in mind. Don't do that mistake. And AB value we don't have. So let's find out. AB will be what? AD value is 2. AB we just add them, add these 2 and 3. So 5. DE we don't have. So DE. And BC is 7.5. So 7.5. Now cross multiplication. 2 into 7.5 by 5, 5 1 ja, 5 15 ja, so 1.5, and then that will be 3 will be DE, and that's the answer. Okay, we have done it. The correct answer is B, 3. Okay, if you still have any doubt, something you did not understand, you can ask me. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral divide each other proportionally, then it is a parallelogram. Wait, what? Wait, I have to make the diagram. Okay, there is some space. Let's use the real estate. This. That seems to be quite good question. So diagonals of a quadrilateral divide each other proportionally, then it is. Let's see. Wait, we had a similar question earlier. In the starting, there was yes, here. And which one is this? Trapezium. Okay. So, yeah, the answer is it's a trapezium. That's it. Done. Shortcut. I used your method. Okay. So, where's that question? Yeah. Correct answer is trapezium. Okay. But wait. In the exam, if you need to prove it, let's say they asked for like a calculation based question, how you'll do that? Or if you did not remember this diagram, how you'll do that? So sometimes shortcut works, but not always. So let's just do it. Let's have a quadrilateral, a random quadrilateral. It must be. Oops. I'm trying to make it as random as possible. Let's call it as A, B, C, D. And they said the diagonals of quadrilateral divide each other proportionally. So let's have these diagonals proportionally. So let's call it 2x, and let's call it 3x, just as an example. Let's call it 2y, and let's call, no, wait a minute, this one 2y, and let's call this one as 3z. Okay, now these angles are equal. Which one? This and this, because vertically opposite angle. So let's take these triangles, this triangle DOC and this triangle AOB. So in triangle DOC and triangle AOB. Oh, this is A, by the way. O, I mean AOB. OB by DO or BO by DO equal to CO by AO. PO by AO. Also, these sides, let's call this P and Q. Angle P equal to angle Q. Now, what is found out in these two triangles? This triangle and this triangle, the sides are in the same ratio. Okay, 2x by 3x and 2y by 3z, and also one angle is equal, side angle side. Okay, it means therefore these triangles are similar. They are similar triangle, means their corresponding angles will be equal. Means let's call it angle 1 and let's call it angle 2. Okay, uh, let's call it angle 3 and let's call it angle 4. They must be equal. Okay, now tell me when the alternate interior angle will be equal, when two opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so these are not that, the original diagram won't be like this. The original diagram should be like this, two sides parallel, this and that is how it is a trapezium. Okay, if you understand, that's great. If you did not understand, think again. Okay, or you can ask me in the comment, you can rewatch it, or you can watch the previous previous when I solved the trapezium related question, and you will understand. Let's see the next question. This one we solved in the start itself. This, oh my god, this is not just question, it's the boss question. So let's see who can do it. Okay, I need some space. I will solve it right here. So let's first understand this question. Each hole is 2 centimeter apart. So it will be 2, 2, 2 here, 2. All gaps will be 2, 2. So this will be 2, this gap also will be 2, this gap also will be 2, all will be 2. Then hung 6 metal rods from the frame. Okay, fine. And then what? The ends of the metal rods are aligned over a line. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is a nice competency based question. Now what they asked, if all rods are straight and not swaying, then what is the length of rod P? Okay, this one, P equal to question mark, this one. Now how you will do it? Think once. If this was in your exam, what you would have done? So I'm going to solve it. Okay, are you ready? You also must try with me. That's the enthusiasm. So if all the rods, okay, so I need actually to do a modification in this. Let's have it like this angle, okay, and then this total is 29 and this is 6. So here to here must be 6. Yes, this is 6. This must be 29 minus 6. So here to here must be 23. So here to here. 23. Yes. Okay, what else is remaining? 2 to 2 is the gap. So how much will be here to here? There must be one rod here. One rod. Uh, hmm. So now this is 2, 2, this is 2, and this is 2. 2, 3 ja 6. It seems like this is a 6 gap. One more time, I'll cross check. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So this here to here is 6. 6. Anything else they have given? Yes. Let's find out here to here also. So the gap will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 4 ja 8. So this must be 8. This thing here to here is 8. Now I have the data. I'll make the entire diagram once again so that it will be easy for you. Okay. So pay attention how I'm doing it. So let's make that thing, and let's make the triangle a bit bigger. Yeah. Now it's like that. Then let's make a line in the middle. Okay. And then let's rotate it so that it will look somewhat better the way we like to do. So let's try that. Okay. Now here this value was 6 and this also 6. That another value was 8 and this value is 23. And then they said to find out, wait, no, just a minute. 23 and anything else is there? No. So this is x and we need to find x equal to question mark. Okay. Now try by yourself. Try to find the x by yourself. I have already searched from which book you are giving these questions. There is no book. I did my own research. I checked all the sample papers of previous exams thoroughly and then I am telling all this. So it's all my own hard work. So let me once check the data I have used over here is correct or not. That thing 6, that thing 8, that thing 23. Okay. And yeah. So seems to be correct. Now let's do the correction. I mean calculation. So you see this this is a parallel line. We can consider these are parallel lines. Okay. So we'll use the BPT, basic proportionality theorem, that 6 by 8, wait. Let's name this a triangle A, B, C. Okay. And D and E. Now, according to the BPT, AD by AB must be equal to DE by BC. But do we have AB? AB, we can have it just by adding 6 and 8. So AD is 6, AB should be 14, DE is X that we don't have currently and we'll find out, and 23. Okay, now cross multiplication, 6 into 23 by 14 equal to X. So 2 7 ja, 2 3 ja. Now this will be yes. So 9, 23. Something seems to be missing. Can you help me with what is missing? Anyway, so first let's finish this thing. It will be 3 plus 3 9, 3 3 is 9, so 9 3 is 6, 69 by 7 equal to x. So the x value is 69 by 7. Is it the answer? See, here is an option. Okay, 69 by 7. And you'll say, yes, that's the answer. No, that's not. We don't have to find x. We have to find this whole thing here to here, rod P. Okay, this whole thing we have to find. And they have said this total distance, 6 metal rods from the frame end to end. Yes, there is something they have said already. Then hung 6 metal. He had punched 8 holes. Okay, 2 centimeter apart. Okay, fine. The ends of the metal rods are aligned. They have already given this is 6. What is this thing 6? This rod is 6. Okay, so P will be 6 plus x. That will be the value of P. That is the crucial part. Okay, this rod is there, na? This rod, its total length will be full. This 6 also and plus this extra x also. So coming back to the triangle, our the device she made, in that the rod was actually, P rod was like this, complete long. So this part was 6 and this is x. Therefore, the length of P will be P equal to x plus 6. That's 69 by 7 plus 6. Now how you will do it? Let's just do it. So into 7 by 7, we get 42 plus 69, we get 42. So 49 plus 1, 4 plus 6 and 7 and 7. So P will be 111 by 7. Now, is there any option? Yes, there is that option, and that's the correct one. So this D is the correct answer. This was quite a good question for very good practice for your brains. Try this question without seeing by yourself. I don't have experience at all. I don't have. I did not learn at all. Nice you asked me. Actually, you should teach me. Anyway, so read the following passage and answer the question that follow. Okay. Your comments are very funny. Triangle is a very popular shape used in, okay. Oh, nice competency based question. Let's see, can you do it? So we have to show DPQ is similar to DEF. Where is DPQ? This is DPQ. And DEF, this DEF. Is there anything they have given? PQ is parallel to EF. So PQ is parallel to EF is already given. Okay, that's very easy. That one I can tell over here. So in triangle DPQ and triangle DEF. Now, as they are parallel, so it is given. What I'm doing? Yes, the given thing is these are parallel. Okay, so their corresponding angles will be equal. So triangle DEF. Angle P equal to angle Q. Okay, number one. And reason is corresponding angles. Next is angle, wait, angle P equal to Q. Angle P equal to angle E. And similarly, angle Q equal to angle F. Angle Q equal to angle F. Number two. Okay. Therefore, by AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. So, triangle DEF similar to triangle, triangle DPQ. Anything we can write vice versa. So, DPQ. Wait, but in exam they cut your marks. So, let's write it in the sequence they have asked. Now better. So, we have proven. Now, if DP equal to 50 and PE equal to 70, then find PQ by EF. DP equal to 50. This is 50. PE equal to 70. PE 70. Okay. Find PQ by EF. PQ by EF. This one you try. Okay, even I am going to do. Let's see who does it faster and correctly. Now don't see these steps. So DE will be 120. Now DP by DE will be equal to PQ by EF. Let's put their values. So DP is, I'm writing here, DP is 50. 50 by 120 equal to PQ by EF. 0, 0 cancel. 5 by 12? Yeah. So that's the thing. That's 5 by 12 equal to, oh, it's on my head, no? 5 by 12. That's the answer of the second one. Now third one. If 2AB equal to 5D and these are similar, then show perimeter of ABC by perimeter of DEF is constant. Okay, 2AB and 5DE. So they mean this triangle and this triangle. Okay, these are similar triangle. Okay, so let's just do it. If no, not if, just given triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, then they will be in the same ratio, and 2AB equal to 5DE. Therefore, 2BC all will be similar. 2BC will be equal to 5EF. Similarly, 2AC equal to 5DF. Tell me why. Why all 2AB, 2BC will be equal to 5? As I said, they will be in the same ratio. What do you mean by same ratio? Let's say, if, as an example, if this whole thing is 4, and let's say this whole thing is 8. So what is their ratio? 1 by 2. And if this is 6, then this will be 12. Same ratio, 1 by 2. Okay. And here the ratio is given as 2 by 5. We are going to use that ratio. There is a few more method, but let's just do this way. Now let's find their perimeter. So perimeter triangle ABC by perimeter triangle DEF equal to 2AB plus, just a minute, why will do 2AB? No, 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 no. We can do one more better way. So this is useful, but we don't need currently. We'll use it later. AB by DE will be equal to, no, no. Let's move this to this side, 5 this side and AB this side. So 2 by 5 equal to ABC by DEF, na? So we need AB up. Okay. Let's move DE this side and to that side. So AB by DE equal to 5 by 2. Okay. Similarly, we get this BC by DE DF also 5 by 2, and everything else also will get 5 by 2 also. So its ratio also must be 5 by 2 only. But in the exam, on what basis? Yes, come. On what basis we have to say it must be 5 by 2 and it must be constant? Good evening. So AB by DE equal to 5 by 2. That's fine. Oh, yes. We can write down that. Similarly, therefore, AB equal to 5 by 2 D, 5 by 2 DE. Yes, on this basis. Okay. Now I will say how. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all three sides. Okay. So if we add these all three sides, this side plus this side plus this side. Okay. Again this side plus this side plus this side. What will get? C. Where to write? There is no space. I'll create space for you. So perimeter will be perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter triangle DEF. ABC by DEF, no? Yes, DEF equal to ABC. So AB is AB plus BC plus AC, down DE plus EF plus DF. Now we have found their sides ratio are this. Okay, we can replace all other sides with this value. For example, AB can be replaced as 5 by 2 DE. Therefore, 5 by 2 DE plus 5 by 2, corresponding side will be EF plus 5 by 2 DF. Yes, and whole by Good evening. These values, I'm teaching online live. Okay, now let's take 5 by 2 common. Therefore, you want to see? See. Okay, therefore 5 by 2, let's take those common, DE plus EF plus DF whole by same thing. And these are common, same, so same. And what we have, just 5 by 2. That's constant, and we have done it. Okay, you understood? Good, very good. And that's it. So therefore constant. Keep on practicing. Okay, and that's what it is. And next time I'll tell the remaining question in the next one. So yeah, best of